Need a pressure washer that's lightweight and portable? The Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer is your go-to solution for home cleaning on the move. When portability meets power, the Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer sets itself apart. Weighing only 16.4 pounds, this little powerhouse is engineered to move with you. Whether you're cleaning your car, patio furniture, or prepping surfaces for painting, it handles it all with ease. Let's talk performance. With 1600 PSI, you're getting 27 times the pressure of your garden hose, blasting away dirt and grime efficiently. Combined with a flow rate of 1.2 GPM, the Ryobi offers 1,920 cleaning units, solid cleaning power in a compact form. It's ideal for light-duty jobs around the house without lugging around a bulky machine. Here's the real game changer: the 13-amp universal motor paired with the axial pump. It delivers consistent, reliable power while keeping the operation smooth and quiet. And because it's electric, no fussing with gas, oil changes, or starter ropes. Just plug in the 35 feet GFCI power cord, flip the switch, and you're ready to go. Let's get into versatility. The Ryobi includes 3 quick connect nozzles, a 15 degrees nozzle for general cleaning, a turbo nozzle for tough spots, and a soap nozzle for easy detergent application. No complicated setups. Just attach the nozzle and you're set. Need soap? The built-in siphon mechanism automatically dilutes detergent with a 20:1 ratio when applying soap, with an optional external soap attachment for precise application every time. While it lacks a soap tank and hose storage, the Ryobi makes up for it with onboard storage for your nozzles and accessories. Everything stays organized and right where you need it. No more searching for attachments mid-job. And for safety, you're covered with the trigger lock system, ensuring no accidental sprays while you're on the move. At only 12.5 by 10 by 9.5 inches, this washer is as compact as it is efficient, meaning you can store it almost anywhere. And with no wheels needed, thanks to its lightweight frame, mobility is never an issue. If versatility is what you're after, the best AR Blue Clean Pressure Washer takes cleaning to the next level. It's ready to play on the screen now.